2nd October, Saturday night, NCB, apparently based on a specific information it had received, conducted a raid on the cruise ship which was about to set sail from the terminal. Khan was intercepted at the terminal even before he could board the ship, and was interrogated and searched by the NCB officials. Post such interrogation, he was taken to the NCB office where he was allegedly detained till the next date. 3rd October, by Sunday afternoon, the NCB registered a first information report, FIR number 94 of 2021, in which Khan was the prime accused. News of his arrest was officially confirmed by 3 p.m. Khan was produced for remand before the Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate, ACMM, R.K. Raje Bhosle, after 7 p.m. along with co-accused Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha. After a brief hearing, Khan was remanded to one-day NCB custody. 4th October, Khan's remand along with the other two co-accused was extended till 7th October 2021. There were 5 other accused who were also produced by NCB and were remanded to NCB custody by ACMM RM Nerlikar. The 5 were Mohak Jaswal, Vikrant Chokar, Nupur Satija, Gomit Chopra and Ishmeet Singh. Fifth October, NCB produced 4 more accused for remand in the case. The accused were Abdul Qadir, Shreyas Nair, Manish Rajaria and Avin Sahu. All 4 were remanded to NCB custody till 11th October 2021. Meanwhile, Merchant moved a bail application before the ACMM and also filed an application seeking CCTV footage of the terminal from where he and Khan were arrested. 6th October, continuing their string of arrests from the cruise, NCB arrested Gopal Anand, Samir Sehgal, Manav Singhal and Bhaskar Arora, who were allegedly part of the organizing team for the event party on the cruise. 7th October, NCB's plea seeking extension of custody was rejected and Khan was remanded to judicial custody along with 7 other accused. Immediately thereafter, Khan moved his applications for bail before the ACMM. The magistrate granted time to NCB to respond on the maintainability of the bail plea and adjourned the hearing in Khan's application along with applications of Merchant and Dhamecha for the next day. 8th October, Judge Nerlikar took up the 3 bail applications for hearing. After a marathon hearing of about 5 hours, he rejected the applications, holding that the applications were not maintainable. During the same hearing, 2 more accused were remanded to NCB custody. 1 Achit Kumar was remanded to NCB custody till 9th October 2021. The second, a foreign national, Chinedu Ejwe, was remanded to NCB custody till 11th October 2021. The same evening, Khan moved the Sessions Court for bail. 9th October, Kumar was remanded to judicial custody after NCB prayed for the same in their application. 10th October, an alleged supplier linked to Merchant, Shivraj Ramdas, was remanded to NCB custody till 11th October 2021 by Holiday Magistrate ACMM SD Kamath. 11th October, Khan's bail application was mentioned before the special court under the NDPS Act for urgent hearing as it was not listed on the board. As NCB sought time to file a reply to the application, the plea was posted for hearing to 13th October 2021. The court also posted 4 other bail pleas by co-accused for hearing, indicating that it will start hearing the bail plea with Khan's application. The ACMM meanwhile remanded a 20th accused to judicial custody till 25th October 2021. The latest accused, the second foreign national arrested in the case, was one Okaro Ujeoma, a Nigerian national who was remanded to judicial custody with Qadir, Nair, Rajgiriya, Sahu, AGWE, and Shivraj. With Ujeoma, NCB has arrested 20 persons in the case so far.